And yes, I did it. I got the Yeezy 450s. What's up, everybody? It's your girl, SnkrMom, back in the building, back with another review for you guys. And yes, I did it. I got the Yeezy 450s. Let's get into this review. First, you come with your standard Yeezy box that has 450 on the top. Then you got the side that says made by adidas Yeezy 450. You got your side that says 6.5, which is the size I got, 6.5 in men. Yeezy 450, and the colorway is cloud white, and cloud white. Of course, made by adidas. Let's get into it. Alright, first we got a box. You open it. It comes with your tan tissue paper that has made in Germany. I'm assuming that's where these shoes were made in Germany. Get to it. Okay. Alright, let's get into it. Yeezy 450 Cloud Whites, aka the dumplings. That's what I keep hearing everybody calling them, the dumpling. Okay, when this shoe first came out back in March, I was like, Kanye, what are you doing? Like, what is that? Who is gonna really wear these shoes? Fast forward it to October. Now I have them. All right, let's talk about this shoe. It's an all sock-like type shoe with a mesh upper. It's like a light grayish color. You got your light grayish color shoestrings. You got this cage looking sides that look really funny. But after just looking at this shoe over and over, I guess I didn't convince myself that they actually look nice. And they actually do. And let me talk about it, because these shoes was just totally off the wall and they're totally different. We thinking like way ahead. And these right here, these are it. I put them on and it was like, man, they are very comfortable. Of course, they don't have the boost, but they have the ortholite on the inside, which you can see, got the Yeezy. This sock-like material, I think that's what actually drew me in, because it's like when you put them on, they fit perfectly to your foot. But I would, size-wise, I would size a half a size up. I got half a size up and they fit me just right. I would no complaints. Walk around in them, they're comfortable. To me, this it's just one of those shoes that you just, if you gotta go make an errand right quick or just go run to do something, or for me, I would wear them to the gym because they're so very comfortable. They're just a comfortable shoe. It's gonna turn a lot of heads. Let's go ahead and get that out there now. Everybody gonna be looking like, what is that on your foot? But little do they know, these things are comfortable. But the only downside of them is they will get dirty quick. I mean, they are a light color. I mean, I wouldn't recommend wearing these like if you're finna be outside in the dirt, unless you just don't care. Unless you just like whatever, they shoes, they're gonna get dirty, which is true. So, but I wouldn't recommend wearing them outside in the dirt on rainy days and nothing like that. But on a day that you're just out and about, chilling, you know, riding, these are the shoes. Your feet don't get tired. They don't start hurting. They feel just right. Also in the back, it's got like this part of the shoe. This part all around the shoe is like a light gray, with the little cage part right here is a cloud white. But then right here in the back is like a beige. I don't know if you can see that. It looked like it's beige. First I thought I had some spots on the shoes when I first got them, but then after looking into it some more, this is how they made them. They put that extra little beige looking color on the back. I guess it's just like a symbol or something they just wanted to throw on the shoe to make it look more different than it already does. But hey, it worked. I mean, no complaints here. As long as I knew it wasn't dirt, I was fine with it. in this color, it's a lot of clothes, not clothes, but just a lot of things you can match it up with. I mean, it's light gray. I mean, what doesn't match light gray, and what doesn't match with white? So it's a colorway that you can match with a lot. You got this little ripple effect going on the bottom of the shoe with your adidas symbol right there. This shoe is just very futuristic. That's what it is. It's a very futuristic shoe. I mean, it's different. I mean, I know they got a black pair out also. I mean, I wasn't able to get either one when it first came out, but I was lucky to get exclusive access on Adidas, so I went ahead and just grabbed them because I was like, man, let me just get them, see what they look like in hand, and see if they really look better than the way they looked on the pictures. And they actually do. When you put them on foot and you look down, they look great. Like, no complaints over here. Like, I didn't know if I was gonna keep them or trade them, keep them for trade bait, but I think I'm gonna actually keep these because it's different. And now I actually want the black pair so I can complete the set. And the black pair I don't think will get as dirty as these, of course, because it's black. But this shoe, man, it's a nice shoe, and like I said, very futuristic shoe. It come with your regular. It don't come with any extra laces, so this is just the one pair it comes with. Your normal tags that's on the shoe. But yeah, I jumped on the bandwagon. Before I was like, nah, but now I'm like, yeah, these are it. But I know people still gonna have their opinions. Oh, those ugly, y'all just buying stuff just because it's a Yeezy name on it. No, they're comfortable. that's what I have to say about that. I actually like the shoe and it's comfortable, so hey, it's a keeper for me. But I ain't gonna keep rambling to y'all, you know. Nice shoe, Yeezy 450. Y'all let me know what y'all think about them down in the comments. Yeezy 450 Cloud White. Oh yeah, and if I haven't said it, please like, subscribe, join this community of sneakerheads with your girl, and until the next review, it's your girl, SnkrMom. Peace.